What's up everybody, Real Chef Curry here with the middle of the week video because we have a very special announcement, so let's get to it. Before we get to the announcement, if you guys haven't seen, we finally hit 100 subscribers. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to like, share, and subscribe our videos. Subscribe to the channel, because that would be amazing. We would love your support. Also, if you've already subscribed, punch that notification bell so that you know when new videos come up. And without further ado, let's get to our announcement. A while back, at the end of one of our videos, I had said that when we hit 100 subscribers, we're gonna have a very special announcement coming. Well, this is it. What we're gonna be doing for our 100 subscriber celebration is that we're gonna be doing a special channel shout out. What that means is count them three, special channels are gonna get a shout out from our channel in order to help grow their channels, and also just because we want to show you guys some love for supporting us this whole time. So what does it take to qualify for this event that we have going on? Well, there's 4 things that you need to do. 1, you have to be subscribed to the channel, of course. If you aren't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and that's just step 1. Step 2, you have to comment down below of this video, you have to comment down your channel name as well as the word shout out. Again, write down your channel name and the word shout out. 3, you have to follow our Facebook page. The link to that is in the description below. And 4, you have to follow us on Instagram if you have an Instagram. Again, link in the description below. So once you do 3 out of 4 of these criteria, you'll be entered into our contest that we have here for the shout out. If you do all 4, you'll get 2 entries into our contest. So how are we gonna decide who gets the shout out? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all these names, put it into a random generator, and then boom, let the computer spit out 3 names that I can use in order to give the shout outs to the people. So guys, make sure you do this. We're gonna keep this contest up for about a week, and then what we're gonna do is next Saturday when we upload our next recipe, throughout that video I'll be giving the shout outs to everybody who qualified and who won the contest. So guys, make sure you are active with the entries, and just make sure that you guys have fun with it. And I can't wait to grow our channel more and provide you guys with some more recipes and some more videos, and I hope you guys all enjoy. So until then, see you guys next time.